The Sales Development Program, or the SDP, is a one-year rigorous program that is meant to recruit, integrate, and develop individuals into sales roles within Genpact. The thought behind it is that we'll create an engine that will lead to a world-class sales team. Also, this will hopefully lead to developing these individuals into our sales leaders of the future. As part of this program, individuals are taken around the world to delivery centers to learn and develop into the sales professionals of the future.
Exciting.
Thought-provoking.
Empowering.
Fun.
Challenging.
Intense.
Dynamic.
World-class. The current batch of SDP participants is a very energetic and very dynamic group. They come from all over the world. They originate from 7 countries. Currently, they're located in Europe, the US, and Australia. We have over 50% women in this batch, which is also very exciting. The batch size this time is 16.
I wanted to be part of this program because it gave me an opportunity to learn about something that was completely out of my comfort zone.
I wanted to be part of a growing industry.
I was looking for something where I could be part of something more meaningful.
It was really the culture of the company that led to me deciding to come on.
I wanted to be in a role where I had business development responsibilities, but also hoped to have the opportunity to transform my clients' businesses.
It had an unbelievable profile with the executive team at Genpact, and I really believe that would set it up for success.
I think some of the most interesting things that I've learned or taken away is that relationships matter a lot. Those close personal connections are really what makes a difference within the company and with our clients.
I think actually the most important thing that I've learned up to date is about operations. I had no operations experience, and I really realized how operations are the living and breathing heart of a company.
The value of having a strong network in bringing together teams that work across geographies, across service lines, and across industries to come together and actually bring a solution for a client that actually provides value for them.
Industry-specific operations and processes, and learned about working with a diverse group of individuals across many countries and cultures.
I've learned the many facets of the parts of the business that you can touch for them.
I have to make sure that I'm able to translate the demands of the customers into the organization and then translate what is possible from Genpact to the customers. So I'm the bridge between the two.
The most exciting part of the journey is learning how companies are leveraging Genpact to run their businesses.
One of the big learnings I've taken both from the program and also dealing with real clients is it's really important to develop the ability to take the client's perspective.
The long sales process can be very different. It's important to stay motivated and how one develops strategic plans to keep yourself active and moving through that process towards the closing zone.
Clients care about our success as much as we do. I never should stop challenging. I should always question the status quo. I should always try to improve things and become a change catalyst for the company.
Being patient, but also having a goal in mind.
I've learned that our clients really trust us with their businesses and to help make their business better.
Always trying to increase the value proposition we bring to them.
What I'm really looking for in terms of my future is my aspirations are is a global career, very diverse, covering different functions and markets, and then one in which I grow, in which I am constantly challenged and constantly learning.
To really shine in this organization.
I'm very anxious to see what the company will look like in 5 or 10 years, because I'm sure it will be very different.
I hope to be able to be a future leader at Genpact, one that generates impact both with results but with diversity and cultural evolution as Genpact continues along the journey.
My expectations are to become a sales leader in the next couple of years and hopefully a leader of the organization over the long run.
I hope to continue to become a successful GRM and ultimately close a large deal.
My expectations for a future at Genpact are being able to be that agent of change that we so often talk about.
Let me close with 3 points about the sales development program. 1, it's been a program that has allowed us to take what we were so good at, and that is grooming operational talent, and apply it to the sales organization. It allows us to take young talent as they're early in their careers and groom them to sell how we need them to sell for Genpact. Second, there's been a tremendous investment that we've made in this program, not just monetary, but also senior leadership of the organization. We've hand-selected mentors for each of those sales development candidates and made sure that they were engaged throughout the entire program. Finally, my impressions of this program, I couldn't be happier with the results. This class has challenged us, they've pushed the status quo, and I truly believe that we found the future leadership of this company inside of this class.